You want to know the truth about trading? Your biggest enemy isn't the market, market makers, bots, rug pulls, shitcoins, or even tweets from Elon Musk. No, it's yourself. Yep. You're the main character in your own trading horror story. If you've ever manually closed for a loss before your stop loss was hit only to see it skyrocket to your profit level, chased a trade you know you shouldn't because of FOMO, or lost total control and started revenge trading until you liquidated your account, just know that you're not the only one. But here's the good news. Mastering your mind is a skill that you can learn. Let's dive into how you can build the mental game you need to stop sabotaging yourself and become a profitable trader. The market isn't out to get you. In fact, the market does not care about you. It is completely indifferent. Your battle is with yourself, your technical and psychological skills. Most traders only focus on improving their technical skills to improve their trading results. Why? Because it is easiest to compare your technical skills with others. It is easy to recognize if you are good or need to improve. However, the one thing that has the most impact on your trading success is invisible. It is not often shared nor spoken about. It is your trading psychology. You can have the best technical strategy in the world, but if your trading psychology is you're going to lose. Greed, fear, anger, all red flags impacting your trading success. The solution isn't to suppress these, it's to understand them and fix what's causing them in the first place. The first step to mastering your mental game is mapping your behavioral patterns. Ask yourself, what triggers negatively impact my trading psychology? How do I behave when I feel fear, greed, or frustration? What runs through my mind during these moments? How does it impact my trading decision making? By writing down the answers to these questions, you will start to see patterns that negatively impact your trading. Once you've mapped your patterns, it's time to dig deeper. Why do you keep hijacking your trades? The next step is to identify your specific values, thoughts, and beliefs which fuel your negative trading behavior. This can be very simple or very complex. Maybe you just want to make money quickly without much work, as that is what you're seeing everywhere online. Maybe the origin lies in how you've been raised by your parents. Maybe you feel like you have to prove yourself to other people. Or maybe you're afraid to change as a person if you do make a lot of money trading. Understanding the root cause that makes you sensitive to the triggers that lead to trading mistakes is incredibly important. This will significantly help you to tackle the issue at its core, not just dealing with the symptoms. A great technique to uncover these causes is journaling about your trading days. Write down your plan for the day, how you executed your plan, what thoughts or feelings appeared during the day, and if anything affected your trading decisions. Over time, you will start to see recurring themes, giving you insight into what needs to be addressed. Progress isn't about overnight transformation, it's about steady incremental improvement. Imagine your trading performance as an inchworm. The tail is called the C game, representing your worst days. The middle is called your B game, representing your normal days, and the head is called the A game, representing your best days. Many traders focus solely on improving their peak performance, their A game, but the real progress comes from decreasing the amount of very bad days, the C game. You want to shorten the inchworm and preferably make it move forward so your best becomes even better. First, focus on shortening the inchworm. Improve your C game. Work on your bigger mistakes. Eventually, your B game becomes your C game. Your normal days now become your worst days. This gives you the opportunity to work on your A and B game so you can move the inchworm forward. A solid trading routine in the morning is more than just a habit. It's your first line of defense against impulsive decisions. One of the key elements of this routine is preparing the potential setups for the day. By analyzing the charts, identifying key levels, and planning your entries, stop losses, and targets in advance, you create a roadmap for your trading day. This preparation ensures you're not reacting emotionally to market movements, but instead executing a plan you've already thought through. It's about starting the day with clarity and focus, so when the opportunities arise, you're ready to act, not second guess yourself. Ultimately, a well-prepared trading day reduces mistakes and increases consistency, which are both essential for long-term success. To keep your mental game sharp and stay in control, follow these steps. Step 1. Preparation. Create a morning routine that prepares you for potential setups during the day. Step 2. Map your patterns. Identify your triggers, the behaviors they cause, and what effect it has on your trading. Step 3. Identify root causes. Dig into the values, thoughts, or beliefs driving your trading psychology mistakes. Step 4. Apply real-time corrections. Use simple techniques like deep breathing or stepping away from your screen to interrupt emotional spirals. Step 5. Reflect and adjust. Regularly review your trading performance and refine your approach. Improve your C game. This step-by-step plan isn't about eliminating mistakes altogether, but it's about minimizing their impact and making steady progress. The importance of long-term consistency. The goal isn't to win every trade, it's to build a system that keeps you profitable over the long haul. Mastering your mind isn't just about surviving the market's chaos, it's about thriving in it. By addressing your triggers and focusing on consistent improvement, you will set yourself apart from most traders that let their feelings run the show. Trading isn't about perfection, it's about making fewer mistakes and maximizing your strength. I hope this video was helpful or valuable to you. Check out this next video to learn what 6 steps you have to follow to become a profitable trader in less than 90 days. If this video resonated with you and you want to learn more, check out The Mental Game of Trading by Tendler. This book gives you a step-by-step, in-depth plan to work on your trading psychology. A lot of the inspiration for this video came from the book, and it helped me a lot in my journey. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you at the next one. Bye bye.